Have you ever wondered why farts make amusing sounds? It's like your body's way of playing a little trumpet. Let's break it down. Inside your digestive system, gas builds up from the air you swallow and from digesting food. Yes, it's a natural process. This gas needs to come out, and when it does, it finds its way through your intestines to the exit point, your bottom. Now here's where the magic happens. Your anus acts like a tightened valve. As the gas pushes through, muscles there create vibrations, much like how your vocal cords vibrate to make sound when you talk. The sound's pitch and volume depend on the speed and pressure of the gas and how tight the muscles are, which varies between slow and musical or quick and loud. Fast farts escaping a tight area will be higher pitched, while slower, more relaxed farts tend to be deeper. So, the next time you hear a fart, know it's just gas playing its unique symphony using your perfectly engineered body's anatomy. It's a humorous yet scientific reminder that our bodies, in their complexity, sometimes have a sense of humor.